Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make custom clothes and items on InZOI. So first of all, once you are on your character studio, you want to press on the outfit. After that, you want to choose what you want to go ahead and customize. So for example, for today, let's choose some top and let's choose a one color t-shirt for now. For example, this one. Now, after that, you want to go ahead and press on this little gallery icon, my texture. Press on it. And now, as you can see, this is the main color. So it only has one color and you can only add it to the whole t-shirt. So let me show you how it looks like. Just press load texture and upload your image. Once you have uploaded it, just press on the image. And as you can see, now you have made a custom t-shirt. Now, how it works on other t-shirts, for example, let's choose this one. Now you're going to press the same button, my texture, and if you would press, for example, on subcolor and press on that, as you can see, it only goes to that subcolor, or if you would press on the main, that's how it would look like. And again, you can change it just like so, and that's how it would look like. You can go ahead and make a custom ones. You can change anything from here. And if this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.